Hi, my name is Dr. Marianne Styler. I'm a gynecologist with a subspecialty in infertility, practicing in Manhattan.
I think one of the things that makes Dr. Styler exceptional is the time that she spends with patients.
The second the door shut, it was just Dr. Styler and I, and there was no time frame. She wasn't on the clock having to push people through. She sat there and she listened to everything I had to say and was genuinely interested.
At this point in my practice, a holistic approach is the only way I could practice. It is a way I can relate to the patient, then they can fully open themselves up to me. I allow them to tell me their story, and frequently, especially in women who are very intuitive, frequently in the telling of their story, they come to the conclusion of what is really going on for them. And it's very rewarding for both me and for them to come to the diagnostic puzzle that eluded them until we sat down and talked and formed a bond.
It's very important that you have a doctor that understands and you feel comfortable asking questions or getting advice on things that you might not be totally comfortable about normally.
She's definitely not a one-size-fits-all doctor. She works with the patients to find the approach that best works for them.
She sees me as a patient, but also as a person, and she's very concerned with and interested in my overall well-being. I don't get that kind of treatment with other doctors. It's very unique to Dr. Styler.
I've been practicing medicine over 20 years, and I've seen some changes related to what's happening with the insurance companies, specifically how they dictate what tests a doctor can order, how much time a doctor can spend with a patient based on the reimbursement scale that they pay. And frankly, I don't think it is the right way to practice medicine. The way I prefer to practice medicine is to hear what the patient has to say, no matter how long it takes. That is something that gives me joy, and I think it's something that gives my patients joy.
By the time you get into the examination room, she pretty much knows everything about you that she needs to know in order to help you with whatever your situation is. I really appreciated that a lot.
Because of my mother's health history of having breast cancer, I thought I didn't have too many options available to me. And I was so appreciative that Dr. Styler was able to sit with me and we were able together to figure out options that worked and were effective.
Dr. Styler took the time to listen, to do the right tests, and eventually diagnosed me with this disorder, which helped me figure out a good game plan to tackle it and help me understand the frustrations that I was facing each and every day of my life because of it.
I invite you to my office because I do feel that I can combine the best of care that's out there, combining the art and science of medicine in a way that it used to be practiced, that includes listening to you fully, seeing who you are fully, and offering the best up-to-date science that's available to take care of you. And it will be my pleasure to take care of you.